Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be working on Watertown Memory that I got from Fansells last year in April. So we're still working on this side right in here, and I'll be working on this roof that comes across here, and the color is 610, and it's kind of a greenish brown, if you will. Yeah, so yay. So is everybody having a good weekend? I hope mine's been nice and quiet and warm, and I've gotten a lot of stitching done. Just stitching inside, stitching outside. Yesterday I was out there twice. I know, really freaky, because I don't know, about 11:30 it kind of got a little tad windy, and I put up with it for a few minutes. I thought, nah, it's going to get really bad. So I went inside, had some lunch, and pull you down, and thought, well, I'll check on it. I went and looked, and it was just fine. So I drug everything outside, and yeah, sat there for another good hour before the wind really kind of picked up. So that was pretty good. I stitched on, I have to think, the hummingbird for a while. And I stitched on the hairpins. I have to think here. And then I rearranged some stuff. And I found, I think they're called golden ladies or something. Golden women, I don't remember, but it's the one I was looking for, and I did find the thread. It was just someplace else. So I got it out and I stitched on it for a little bit. So yeah, just here, there, and everywhere yesterday. Didn't cook anything fabulous for dinner, just had the leftovers and watched a lot of Netflix and YouTube, listened to some music, that too. So yeah, it was a real well-rounded stitchy day for a change. But I got some stuff out of the front room that I just didn't need in here anymore, and kind of looking for things for next month's Saturday stitching. And the theme is going to be travel. So, yeah. And that can mean whatever you want it to mean. It can mean like that resort one, or the one with the beach houses, or it could be a destination. Whatever you feel like. Fuzzies. Make sure I've got enough room here. Holy cow. Some days I'm just so not organized. But I really couldn't figure out what I wanted to watch on Netflix, and I went back and forth, watched two different series things that I'd seen before, of course, but just didn't know what I wanted to watch. So, little of this and a little of that. Tried to lay down, that didn't go over, so that wasn't happening. You'd think I'd had a ton of caffeine or something. Couldn't fall asleep at all. Laid there for about half an hour, 45 minutes. And then I just got up and said, forget it. And we're over too far, aren't we? Let me back you down just a bit. There we go. I think we're right back where we started. fortunately. So yeah, one of those days. Oh, goodness. So what's everybody else doing this weekend? Hope you're doing something fun. Are you going to have a get-together for Memorial Day? Which actually is celebrated on Monday. Hold on, we got it. Just organized today, aren't I? Holy cow. This happened all day yesterday, I swear. Kept getting the in tucked in. Yep, not going anywhere at all. But that's okay. I don't mind staying home. Not at all. We're going to pull you over. This thing is kind of hard to stitch with on my table. I don't want to undo, you know, all the edges so that half of it's on the floor. Not happening. It doesn't need to pick up any dust or chobby hair. Cat sheds everywhere. And I have, laughingly, wood floors. I think it's OSB board, or however you say that word. I don't know what those initials are. But it's like pressed board that's been painted. So, yeah, there's no carpet. So you really can't see that cat fur until you lay something down and pick it up. It's like, ah, crap. And it doesn't matter how many times you sweep. It's all there. So what is everybody else working on? Are you working on stuff for 4th of July or summer, or are you stitching some other season altogether? Okay, fine. You win. Nobody will notice on a galloping horse, as my mother used to say. Now I've lost my scissors because I moved everything. Jeepers creepers. Oh my goodness. We're having a day. I put all my excess threads over there. And of course, I had to get wound around the scissors. What can I say? Some days go better than others. I hope this has a lighter color in between there so you can tell that it's like the lines on the roof. Does that make sense? Oh my. So no idea what I'm going to be working on today. It's been kind of one of those organizing weekends, but you know, I didn't go into it saying, hey, I'm going to organize everything this weekend. No. It just kind of gradually happened one moment at a time. Well, if I move that, then I got to move that. Yeah. You know how that goes. And this is the last week of school for the kids. So we will see how that all goes. I think one gets out one day and the others get out another day. It's not the same day because one's in grade school and one is in middle school. So fun times. Oh my goodness. But I bet they'll be glad to get out of school for the summer. I don't know if they have anything at the library, you know, like well, when my kids were little, they had book it, you know, all summer long, so, and they like to go do that, so. Never balk when they decide they're going to like reading. It's a good thing, I guess. But I don't know how into it my grandkids are. Nobody's expressed an interest now, except, who was it? I think it was my grandson, my oldest grandson. He did, like, I call them chapter books. Like, not Nancy Drew, but whatever the equivalent is these days. I have no idea. I can't remember. Way back there when he was, like, in about 5th or 6th grade. And then I never heard any more about it, so. Fun times. So I don't know what my granddaughter likes or doesn't like as far as book-wise goes. I don't mind, but I usually don't get books. I don't have a DVD player on my computer anymore, so that would entail something else. Because I used to go down there and get the, what do you call them? You know, the audiobooks, and use them on my computer, but my computer doesn't do that anymore. So, may have to invest in a DVD player. But I'd bring home about 5 or 6 of the audiobooks and just put them in, but it works better when I play those at the quiet times at work. I get more out of it, and I can't read books and do cross-stitch, so that doesn't happen. So that's why I went to the audiobooks. Does anybody else like to use the audiobooks? I never did find out how to use the, I think it was called Libby or Lily, something like that, through the library. And right now, they're in the process of making the library bigger. I don't think they're moving per se. I think they're just building more to it. So, I hate to bother them. With my lame brain, can't figure too much out. Heaven forbid it's technical. I did get this far, though. And heaven forbid I get a new phone. Oh my gosh. That's like a total experience in terror. So, we'll see. But I have better luck with the audiobooks on my phone than on my computer. So, I may have to check into that. Who knows? Well, goodness gracious. I thought this would be the easiest part to stitch because it's kind of a straight shot and I don't have to cut and start over too many times. We did a couple, but that's not a big deal. This is nice and easy to stitch on. It always has been. The only problem, I mean, as far as material goes, other than that, it's awfully dark. And sometimes it's a little hard to see, but it's lighter at this corner than it is in the upper right-hand corner, because I fought with that for a couple months before I decided to move down here. So yep. Well, we got a couple of those done. Put that needle over there just so I don't drop it, and then turn it. Oops. Pull you out a bit. So as you can see, there is a chair on the porch, and then there's that thing in front. I want to say a balustrade. Is that what that is? Not real sure. So it has its own roof. So this is the roof of the building behind it. So we'll see. Maybe I'll stitch on this for a while. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.